It's about 20 after 7 here, Eastern Standard Time, and we're looking at the 240-minute bar. I've got to apologize if I sound a little bit tired. We spent the afternoon at the pool, and there's something about the pool in the Arizona summer that just drains you. At any rate, you can see that I've drawn a horizontal line here at the high, and I really wanted to see what was going on in the past. And you can see that there were a couple of hits here, and then there were some close calls in this area here. So it looks like this level here is a good resistance area for the marketplace. So we are looking at a possibility of the market heading back down, more than likely to the prior area of support, which is right in here, or at the very least right back down to this support level. Now what I did here is I simply drew a horizontal line based on this high and looked to see if the market had any kind of reactions. And there are a few, not as many as before, but you can see definitely there are some areas where the market has at least reacted to the level. So if the market does manage to pull down here, I think this 98.29 level is going to act as some support and should be a good target. So let's take a look at what's going on here. As we go down to the hourly bar, here is the level that I'm looking at the market moving to. The market's currently at 98.72. You can see that there really isn't a very good pattern here. So I'm not really looking to take an automatic trade here looking for the market to head down. I think a better trade for this would be to watch the London Open and see how the market reacts. There is a support level developing. Let me draw a little bit better line here. There's a support level developing right here that the market's going to need to break through, which is right around the current price of about 98.72, which again heading down here is going to be right into the 98.30 level on the way down. And you can see, not coincidentally, that's also where the market came down to after I was looking for this long trade to get triggered. There was the support. So the market's probably going to come right back down into this area here once it breaks. Again, the prudent thing to do at this point, because we don't really have a pattern, we don't really have a double top or excuse me, a double bottom or a triple bottom for this thing to break through. We're just going to have to wait to see what happens. Now on the upside here, I am starting to get a little bit nervous about taking long trades simply because the market is starting to slow down, but that's not necessarily going to stop me. So at this point I am looking for a long trade, but it's going to be above this high over here, which is about 98.96. This is also going to capitalize on the round number issue. So long trade here above 1.9896. The stop is actually pretty easy here. Stop of 27 pips on the way down. And that's really reflecting the fact that there isn't a very good area for it. You can see that there's some consolidation over here, but really the market just hasn't stopped very much in its rise to test this level. And of course, what I'm anticipating is the market coming up through 9,900 if it does manage to break through these two highs over here and retest these old highs coming into here. So I'm expecting the market to come into breaking through this area, coming into about 99.35, 99.40, and then possibly head as high as 99.80 on its way up. So this might actually turn into a bit of an extended move. But as I said, at this point, it does look like the market is running into resistance. It's just not giving a clear pattern, not really an easy to identify pattern to trade to the short side.